Plastics are all around us, from water bottles and spray bottles to components in our cell phones. Unfortunately, these plastics are comprised of monomers, which are mostly derived from petroleum. So monomers are chemical compounds that when combined together make polymers, what we call plastics. As one of the many scientists and engineers working together at the Center for Sustainable Polymers, I'm trying to answer the question of how do we make these petroleum-derived monomers renewable and sustainable for the future. My name is McClintock, and I am a PhD candidate at the Department of Chemical Engineering. My research focuses on using microbes such as bacteria and fungi to convert inedible biomass like corn stover and food waste into these renewable sustainable monomers. I do this by using metabolic and protein engineering tools to optimize amino acid pathways. Amino acids are the building blocks of life, so I look at the lysine pathway to create renewable monomers such as cyclic diacids and cyclic amines. These will hopefully be used to replace PET and BPA, which are two cyclic petroleum-based monomers that have been used in things such as water bottles and for the lining of cans. Using my monomer feedstocks, we can eventually create materials that are new and are able to contribute to a cleaner future.